Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be changing this seatbelt holder clip thingy, don't know what it's called, for passenger side front. As you can tell, it's broken. It's actually kind of sharp. I mean, it should look like that. So hopefully this goes well. Told him it was for the passenger side, so we'll see what happens. At least it gets right. Yeah, should be right. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Let's do this. Alright, so there's a little bit of a pain. Guessing I used a penny to push that part in while I push this also in. Gotta do two hands. And it came out. I mean, pretty sure you can use anything you want to push that in. So, I mean, it comes out. Looks like we got, I forget what those things are called, so we'll see how to get those off real quick too. Hey guys, so what's holding it is one of these, and it's kind of hard to get out because you see that cut, there's one on each side. So all I used was a flathead, a skinny one to start off, just to try to pry it over, and then I went to a thicker flathead. Just keep on prying. Once you get it off, you kind of wiggle it to start coming up, and then you could grab it and start turning it loose. Yeah, that's all I did. So besides that, I mean, it seems pretty easy. But yeah, I'll get the next one off and I'll get back to you guys. Bye. Alright guys, so I got the second one off. Now all we gotta do is just slide this off. And I mean, seems pretty easy. Yeah, I'll pick that up later. This one. Pretty thick plastic, so I should be fine. Putting pressure, yeah. There we go. So this is what the old one looks like. Now that's it with the new. Seems pretty easy. And then these. Force them in. There we go. Had to twist it. Had to be twisting it a little bit. Secure. Just make sure it's all secure. Push it down a little bit. Let's see this side. This side was easier. Go. Seems secure. Oh, huh. Alright, time to put it back biker. Let's see it. So, try to do this one-handed. Alright, let me put you guys down right. There you go. There you go. And one more quick little install. So, I mean, you could barely see it. It's dark in here, but finally fixed. Alright guys, well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Later.